Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales for Pipeline Tracking, Beginner Guide step by step clearly. To install Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales for Pipeline Tracking, start by navigating to the official Microsoft website. Create a Microsoft account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, search for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales. Click on the free trial or get started button. Follow the prompts to set up your trial environment. Select the options that fit your organization's needs during setup. Fill in the required fields such as your organization name and region. Choose your preferred language for the installation. Review the terms and conditions, and click Accept. Proceed by clicking on the Create button to initiate the installation. After a few moments, you will receive a notification that your environment is being set up. Once the setup is complete, you will receive an email with the details. Follow the link in the email to access your Dynamics 365 Sales environment. Log in using your Microsoft account credentials. You will be directed to the Dynamics 365 Sales dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and features presented on the dashboard. Look for the Sales application within the home screen. Click on the Sales application to access the pipeline tracking features. Set up your sales pipeline by customizing stages to match your sales process. Add your team members by inviting them through the Settings menu. Input existing leads and opportunities into the pipeline. Utilize the Activities tab to track engagements with your leads. Monitor your pipeline's performance using the built-in analytics tools. Regularly update your entries as leads progress through the pipeline stages. Explore additional resources and documentation available on the Microsoft website for further guidance. Now you are ready to effectively use Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales for pipeline tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.